17 Money Secrets to Make Your First Million. Are you ready to make your first million? This video will share 17 money secrets to help you achieve your financial goals and build lasting wealth. From developing a growth mindset to investing in yourself and others, we'll cover a range of strategies and tips that can help you take control of your finances and create a better future. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your financial game to the next level, this video is for you. Welcome to 17 Money Secrets to Make Your First Million. In this video, we'll share powerful strategies and insights to help you reach your financial goals and achieve your dreams. So get ready to take notes, and let's dive in. 17. Start with a clear financial goal. The first step to making your first million is to have a clear financial goal. This means knowing how much money you want to make, by when, and why. Your goal should be specific, measurable, and achievable. It should also be realistic and relevant to your life and circumstances. Once you have a clear financial goal, you can create a plan to achieve it. 16. Create a budget and stick to it. One of the most important money secrets is to create a budget and stick to it. This means tracking your income and expenses, identifying areas where you can cut back, and setting aside money for savings and investments. By living within your means and being intentional with your spending, you can free up more money toward your financial goals. 15. Build multiple income streams. Another key money secret is to build multiple income streams. This means finding ways to make money beyond your main job or business. For example, you could start a side hustle, invest in stocks or real estate, or monetize a talent or skill. By diversifying your income streams, you can increase your earning potential and reduce your financial risk. 14. Leverage your assets. Another way to make your first million is to leverage your assets. This means using what you already have to create more wealth. For example, you could use your savings to invest in stocks or real estate or start a business using your skills or knowledge. 13. Surround yourself with successful people. Another important money secret is to surround yourself with successful people. This means finding mentors, coaches, and peers who have achieved the financial success you aspire to. 12. Invest in your education and skills. Another way to make your first million is to invest in your education and skills. This means continuously learning and improving your knowledge and expertise in your chosen field. 11. Take calculated risks. Making your first million often requires taking calculated risks. This means identifying opportunities for growth and being willing to step out of your comfort zone to pursue them. While there is always a risk of failure, the potential rewards can be substantial. 10. Be patient and persistent. Building wealth takes time, patience, and persistence. It's important to stay focused on your financial goals and be willing to work to achieve them. 9. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or delays. Keep moving forward with determination and grit. 8. Save and invest consistently. Another important money secret is to save and invest consistently. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investing regularly, regardless of market conditions or other factors. By making saving and investing a habit, you can build wealth over time and benefit from the power of compound interest. 7. Avoid debt traps. Debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth, so avoiding them is important. This means avoiding high-interest credit card debt, payday loans, and other forms of predatory lending. If you need to borrow money, ensure you understand the terms and can afford the payments. 6. Use credit wisely. While debt can be a problem, credit can also be a valuable tool for building wealth. By using credit wisely and responsibly, you can access low-interest loans and lines of credit to help you invest in your future. Pay off your balances in full and on time to avoid interest charges and penalties. 5. Focus on value creation. To make your first million, it's important to focus on value creation. This means finding ways to create value for others through your work or business. You can build a loyal customer base and generate sustainable profits by delivering high-quality products or services that meet a need or solve a problem. 4. Stay disciplined and organized. Discipline and organization are key traits of successful entrepreneurs and investors. By staying disciplined with your time and resources and staying organized with your finances and paperwork, you can avoid costly mistakes and make the most of every opportunity. 3. Embrace innovation and change. Innovation and change are inevitable in any field, so embracing and adapting to new trends and technologies is important. By staying ahead of the curve and being open to new ideas and approaches, you can stay competitive and continue to grow your wealth over time. 2. Give back to others. Making your first million isn't just about personal gain, It's also about giving back to others. By supporting charitable causes and investing in your community, you can positively impact the world. 1. Stay humble and grateful. No matter how successful you become, it's important to stay humble and grateful. Remember that your success is partly due to the support of others, and be thankful for the opportunities and blessings you've received. You can continue to grow and learn from others by staying grounded and humble. Thank you for joining us for 17 money secrets to make your first million. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful and that you're inspired to take action toward your financial goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content, and we'll see you in the next video.